How to use Apollo IO sales software tutorial. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. I bring you back with yet another great and easy tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to be discussing about Apollo IO and how you can use it to basically make your sales much easier, much automated, and much better. So we're going to be going into great depth and detail on how you can use Apollo IO, and we're going to be discussing all the aspects that come with it, all the features, and all the different things you can do to work around with your sales. It's a great sales software, and it's the one you need to use, and it's the one that will help you get into your great sales. So just watch this video till the end and listen to all the instructions I had to give to you, and if you do that properly, then I guarantee you that you're gonna properly know how to use Apollo IO. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So first of all, let's go ahead and write Apollo. So this is Apollo IO. This is the Apollo IO website where we can see reach every buyer on earth, search, engage, and convert over 250 million contacts at over 60 million companies with Apollo sales and intelligence and engagement platform. Now we can see that it's a sales and intelligence and engagement platform with over 60 million companies. So we can see that 1 million sellers at 160,000 companies hit their number with Apollo. Companies like Stripe, Optimove, DocuSign, Rippling, Sauce, Optics, Autodesk, and much more. We can see that we can find and reach every lead on earth with 250 million plus contacts, 60 million plus companies, 120 million plus mobile numbers, 20,000 plus paying customers. You can also check why Apollo right here if you want to. That's totally upon you. And then you can also see that it's loved by the sales and marketing professionals with fresh and accurate data, makes GTM simple, free to start with low commitment. We can also see different benefits of Apollo. It's easy for search and engage. You can search and target over 250 million prospects with laser precision, engage them in automated workflows in their all-in-one platform or via the other sales engagement tools. You can analyze and optimize very easily by making database prospecting decisions based on split tests and sales analytics, or let their recommendation engine find the next prospect for you. You can enrich and cleanse easily. It automatically enriches your CRM or your management system and marketing automation system in real time with their data and over 200 plus data points for scoring and routing. And then of course there's the Google extension that I have used, and I can guarantee you that it's an amazing Google extension. Prospect verified email addresses and phone numbers directly from LinkedIn and uses Apollo Anywhere to identify new target accounts. It also has different case studies and success stories to obviously help you get more comfortable and familiarized with how Apollo is and how it really works. So you can go ahead and check all of that out, but for now we're going to get straight into the whatnots and details. So obviously, why Apollo? Their data: discover the most robust and accurate B2B database, G2 crowd rankings. They are ranked amongst the top sales solutions. Customers love them. Great reviews. You can check those out later. And how Apollo compares: compare us to other vendors in the sales intelligence spaces. Basically, if you were to compare them, they are one of the top sales platforms out there. Then the features are prospecting and intelligence, enrichment and job change alerts, sales engagement and analytics. Their API basically is enriched in data and builds custom workflows, great integrations with other companies or platforms, great security. And their new feature is that you can find out what and when prospects are actively ready or looking to buy. There's also solutions by role, like you can be a seller, a marketer, or a founder. Now, as a seller, build a faster converting pipeline and hit sales goals. As a marketer, better data means better marketing results. As a founder, you can grow your business and accomplish more with less. Now that we've gone through that, let's go ahead and check their pricing for their great platform. Now, obviously, in the pricing section, we can see dominate your market pricing for one-person startups to Fortune 500 enterprises. Now, there's 4 different plans. Obviously, there's the free plan with totally $0, unlimited email credits, 60 mobile credits per year, 120 export credits per year, with basic sequence automations, basic filters, buying intent, LinkedIn extensions, send 250 emails per day, Gmail extensions, email reply, outreach and sales loft, CSV export, Zapier integration, limited API access, advanced Salesforce, and much more. Then obviously obviously there's the basic professional organization plan, which is for $39, $79, and respectively $79. This is usually for $99, but right now it's on a sale or a discount, so you can go ahead and do that if you want to. Totally upon you. But yeah, now that we know that, let's go ahead into the sign up process. Now for the sign up, I'm going to be using a temporary email, but make sure that you use a proper email. You can obviously make your revenue go 10 times up by using Apollo. Apollo gives you access to the most accurate emails, phones, and mobile numbers over 250 million contacts and 60 million companies. So we're just going to go ahead and put in our email right here. As we can see, it needs no credit card or anything. So we're going to just go ahead and sign up for free. Now, once you sign up with your account, it asks you for permission, so just make sure to allow everything because it's fully trusted. Now, here we go. Here we are. Welcome to Apollo. Please wait until you are redirected. And from here on out, you are going to be redirected to your main welcome page or your dashboard page for Apollo. So we're just going to wait for this to load up real quick. Now, once the page loads, it says, what team are you on? We'll personalize your onboarding experiences accordingly. You could be on sales team, recruiting team, or other. That totally depends on you. I'm going to go ahead with a sales team for now, see what you can do with Apollo. You can just set it up right now. I recommend you do this right now, but I'm going to do it for later. I recommend you go with the now option because obviously according to that, it's going to ask you questions, and according to that, it's going to set your page up accordingly. But yeah, right now, what we're going to do is obviously this is our basic homepage, and this is our cockpit where we can see the different tasks and things we did in the past few hours, but obviously we haven't done anything. So for now, what we're going to be mainly doing is we're going to go on search, and once we go on search, here we're going to start adding things. Now, it's totally your choice if you want to start prospecting on LinkedIn, or maybe you want to add the extension for Apollo on your Chrome, but we're not going to do that for now. For now, I'm going to teach you how you can add basically different things. So first of all, you're going to create a list. And to create a list, you're going to need to have different personas, names, job titles, companies, locations, and much, much more. So first of all, let's go ahead and create ourselves a persona. Now, create a persona, you're going to go on new persona, you're going to create yourself a persona, and you're going to start applying filters. Here we can see that when it comes to pipeline or leads, we have 250 million leads almost. You can go on list view and see it in a list view, but obviously we don't have any right now, so we can go on view plans, check our plan. Basically, if you want more users, I would recommend just going with the basic plan. The basic plan is obviously $468 per year, which seems pretty decent for like a software or a platform like this. So yeah, easily to import your contacts over here, just go over here on import contact, and it depends if you want to import one or bulk import from CSV. I'm going to import one, then you're just going to add their information, and once they're imported over here, what's going to happen is you can start setting up different emails or job titles for them and set them accordingly. So yeah, that is basically how easy and simple it is to set yourself up with Apollo and use it for sales automation and much, much more. So yeah, that is basically it for today. If you found this video helpful and informational, please let me know down in the comments below. But yeah, until then, I hope you all keep having a great day. That was all from me, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.